Hey, what's up? This is Paul Murphy. So in this video, I want to show you how to make money on YouTube without an existing audience. And in fact, why it's the best place to make money right now. And the best format is long form ranked content, not short form. Although you've heard differently, I'll explain why. And also why all the other platforms are just not working. Now, first of all, I want to talk about Facebook ads. Some of the best marketers in the world, like Russell Brunson, are spending millions of dollars a month on Facebook ads to break even right now. Now, he creates the best funnels in the world, the best marketing systems in the world, and yet he's openly admitting on his podcast that he wants to break even. So this is a real struggle. Now, you see people succeeding on Facebook. Generally speaking, those are people that have seasoned their pixel, right? In other words, they've basically got an existing audience and they've taken that existing audience over to Facebook with a small budget and then seen if it works. Now, if you go to Facebook with your budget, you're seasoning your pixel with your budget, then you get burnt out. And also, one of the other things is a lot of people who are running Facebook ads are having to diversify anyway, because if you're just running Facebook ads, they shut your account down at any time without any reason. And a lot of people are struggling. Facebook ads have gone through the roof in the last few years. So I just want to address that. I don't recommend starting with Facebook ads. I do recommend using the method I'm going to show you today, then taking like 5% of your budget over to Facebook and also your buying data, your buyers lists and things like that. You can upload that to Facebook and then you can actually test it out. That's what I would recommend, but I certainly wouldn't start there, right? So that's a bit of a trap at the moment. Now you might be thinking short form content. Now the problem with short form content, if you're on your phone, right, it's literally, it goes straight into the next one, right? So if you've got a call to action, what happens is they call it doom scrolling now, right? So you go into it and it's like boom, boom, next, next, next. Now the actual average that someone will actually come away from a video and click something or investigate something is 1 every 300 shorts. So you've got to be that 1 in 300 that's going to get their attention, right? So the other way obviously is to make money from shorts, but I'm going to explain it's kind of similar to making money from actual views on shorts, which have actually decreased a lot over the last few years. And it's the same as trying to make money from going viral on YouTube. And again, I'm going to explain that. It's kind of similar, but it's very, very difficult. And it's a crowded market. So it's really, really difficult to do that. So let me explain this, right? If you actually wanted to basically make money from your videos, actually become a partner, so you get loads and loads of views, you have to do a few things. The first thing, you need to grow a big channel, because for you to get lots of views, you generally have to have an audience. Now that can take 6 months, a year, 2 years, 5 years, whatever, right? Can take a long time for you to do that, and people burn out in that time. And also there's thousands of people actually going after this method because people think it's the best. But if you listen to Alex Hormozy or someone like that, they're telling you to post a gazillion times a day. Who wants to do that, right? Crazy. Anyway, if you do get there, say you've got a big channel or you get a random video that does really well. This guy here, he literally posted this up on how much you make in 2026. And he said, look, for 1,000 views, he was getting $7.15, which is 1 million views would be $7,000. Right now, it varies between 1,000 to 10,000 bucks per million views. But again, that's a lot of work that's come in to build that channel to get there. So again, I don't recommend doing this. This is where all your competition is as well, right? So that's another way, obviously, to make money. So what we do is we place our videos at the top of Google and YouTube for targeted searches. So these videos are not going viral. They're not basically going everywhere else. They're literally only in front of people that need them right now. And we basically do this by using a very, very simple formula called the Magic Evergreen Traffic System, where we create videos serving customers. We use a keyword tool. We find what the keywords are. We place the videos up. Then we place them into a funnel. And I'll show you that in just a sec, right? So you can actually see this is one I put up a couple of days ago. That's ranking. These are ones that we did for an affiliate launch. These are ones that my students are using. This is another one my students are using at the moment. We generated $125,000. I did $3 million last year. Like, this is all without ads. I haven't spent a single penny. In fact, sometimes I think people say to me, like, you should be taking like a small amount of your profits over to places like Facebook and running ads. And I was like, yeah, but I don't want to, because this is all set and forget. Once you actually set it up, it's good to go, right? Pretty cool. These are some other results. I just want to show you that. So, yeah. So this is one that I actually put up literally a couple of days ago. You can see we are ranking under videos. We're not ranking on the front page, But actually, I want to show you the front page. That's why I brought this up. If you put this up, like this is the actual search term, right? If you put this search term into Google, you'll see that most of these are now videos. Pretty insane, right? But you'll actually see that literally just a couple of days I'm putting this. When I put this into the process, I'm going to show you into the funnel, and that's how we're able to make like crazy amounts of money. So I want to show you the magic evergreen traffic system. I want to show you how this works, how this pushes all your videos to the top of Google and YouTube. And I'm going to talk through some other benefits you get with this as well. So first of all, what this does is we create 10 pieces of value content. We then drop them into this funnel, right? And then what you do is that when you've put them in the funnel, right, this is going to keep the videos on page one for many years. How does this work? Well, basically all the traffic that's coming to these videos on YouTube, every piece of traffic that comes, we push them to this free course, right? So this page here, where they actually come into this funnel. Everyone coming through this funnel is going to watch every single day, basically a new video every single day. And because these videos are being watched off of Google and YouTube, right, in this funnel, not on Google and YouTube searches, Google pushes them up, right? And because it's basically recognizing that people want to see this, they push it up because they recognize, oh, these must be valuable content. We push it up. It's a bit like news sites. If you see a news site and you put in, you know, Harry and Meghan and when they've had a baby, and then it will just literally come up all over Google. We're emulating that with this funnel. Now, as each one of these goes up a little bit, that's more traffic coming in. They go up again, more traffic coming in. So eventually, within a few weeks, they're literally pushed right to the top of Google and YouTube, right? And that's how we end up with these results here, right? So this is kind of as a result of this funnel, right? So you want to be able to do that. So that's the first thing, is that you're going to get unlimited traffic, but also it's giving you very, very highly valuable leads because you're nurturing your customer, you're giving them loads of value. Now, there are links to buy your products inside this funnel, obviously, but it's very, very soft. So what we're doing is we're building know, like, and trust. So it's completely ethical, which is really, really cool. So you build a highly engaged email list and it sells your products and services on autopilot without ads. Here's one I've got for my school community, right? Pretty cool. So it's the same process basically for every type, and we've built them for every type of business. So obviously a free lead magnet with no extra work that people use. You get omnipresence where your videos showing up 1, 2, 3, and 4. So all these videos end up showing up like I showed you earlier. Your email list is really highly valuable. So people say, what's your cost per lead? I laugh because I was like, I don't spend any money on leads, and they're all really valuable. Whereas when they go over to places like Facebook, they're going to not be there to buy anything. They're going to basically be there to hang out in the groups or hang out with their friends, see what everyone's up to. So when you put an ad in front of them, they quite often will unsubscribe, or it will go straight to the spam filter, which is not what you want, right? You become ultimate authority. It's 100% retargeting campaign, so you don't have to spend any money on retargeting ads. You get increased conversions, get 20 sale points instead of just the one from the ad. And they never refund, unless the only time people ever refund from this funnel is when they've purchased twice. Because sometimes people do. They see another offer from you and they think, I haven't got it, and purchase it. And then they're like, have I already bought this? And it's like, yeah, obviously we'll refund it for you. So yeah, so that's kind of how it works. Now, I want to give you access to this. In fact, if you come in here, you log in and you go into Classroom, you see we've built them out for every single type of business. So we'll give you access to those. And I'll also give you access to our $12,000 bonuses, so that when you create videos or when you've got offers on the front page of Google, you use this bonus and it converts your offers for you. So if you go to the link, claim free ads, and you can actually see it also. It'll be in the description, it'll be in the comments, and you can actually sign up for that now. I'd do that now while that's still free. Obviously, we may be charging for this group very soon, so I'd go and do that. If you see that and it's still available free, get in there, and then you get the bonuses and you get the Magic Evergreen traffic system. And in this next video, I've got something really neat I want to show you regarding this process.